Morning guys, आज I'm going to college. I want to show my fit weight. It's so fucking basic, but I love this color. So, hi guys. I missed the train I was supposed to take because I was busy recording मेरा fit का video. And जो video अच्छा आया भी नहीं. But that's okay, I guess. अभी मैं जा रही हूँ. I don't know, something is really off with the lighting today. The earth is not in my favor, I think. Hi guys, I'm waiting for my train to arrive. Good morning again. I'm like 10 minutes late already. Poste it will be 15. I think it's okay because I'm me.
What is today? Is there something today?
They are band practicing. They're performing and this thing.
Me and my that one पागल friend.
गाइस मुझे बैडी चाहिए
मुझे भी गाड़ी चाहिए.
प्लीज प्लीज मुझे मत मारो मैं मां
मुझे
बननी
जीना
है मैं मां बनने वाली हूं प्लीज
I love Ritesh Deshmukh bro.
मुझे को जीना है
Guys, मैंने फादर जॉन के क्लास में अभी प्रेजेंटेशन दी. सो रहा था घड़िया आदमी मेरे प्रेजेंटेशन का टाइम. पर अच्छा है भाई, सो रहा था जो. He was cooking me.
प्लीज मेरे बच्चे को बचाओ मेरे बच्चा
Are you eating?
no I don't think I father John की क्लास में हमने
Yeah, I can't. अभी anyways खत्म हो जाएगा यार थोड़े टाइम में बस.
हां वही ना बोल रहा हूं 40 मिनट की बात है और आफ्टर दैट तो तेजस का लिखना
हाँ?
तेजस का लिखना पड़ेगा
तेजस का I already wrote. I already like have
लंबा नहीं
made
ना
the
4
PPT.
पेज है ना उसमें
Yeah, 4 पेज से भी कम मेरा. हाँ 4 पेज में हो जाएगा.
like I'll write in separate pages and take a photo of that marks कर दूँ चलेगा
PDF करना.
PDF
Hi guys, we are in Kyani's. Swarangi say hi.
मैम वीडियो मत नहीं बनाइए मैडम.
Video मत बनाइए. Future
Before all the fame and the holes.
future, are you a rock star? Will you be a rock star or a pop star or what? What is your genre?
I will be drunk
Okay.
as fuck.
Hi
I will
guys.
be
No crowd chasing.
no
Okay,
fans.
you can go. Hi guys.
Autograph चाहिए? Fuck you.
चल आर्यन. Bye bye बोल.
Bye. No, I came. I bought it in my hand. And then I met her. She came and she was like, can I?
Lisa. Oh, you look good today.
Huh?
You look good today.
This is the outfit. Can I give an outfit check?
Yeah.
My shoes are Nike. My pants are Hillroad. My shirt. Where did you keep your bag? It's my shirt. My bag's my mom's.
Mogged. Please, David को बाहर निकालो. Please get out. Please get out.
You know what he said? Darren and David have the same haircut, so he was like, we are twins now. And then I said David is twins with every other black
guy.
Asian dude. And then he's like, watch your mouth. I will not watch my mouth.
Okay, bro. Do you want to say something for the camera?
I do. It's a new day. It's a new life. I hope today's day goes well. I have no practice today, so I can hang out with my boss.
Yes. Let's go.
Entertain me. These guys are really boring. Like, imagine sitting in kitty party for fucking
Kitty party.
4 hours.
Kitty party.
And kitty party is so boring.
Kitty party.
And now, can you not?
Can I not?
Now we'll not run anymore.
Guys, मैं इतनी एक्साइट हो गई. मैं और अपनी ऐसे woods में भागने लग गए. And then my people from this one department I really want to be in saw me and pointed at me. He just told me that I'm getting in, and then I did this amazing show in front of him.
Maybe he's like, oh, maybe she's not adult enough to get into this.
I want whatever they're on, bro. I'm
Gauri.
dead. It's only 12 and I'm dead. And why are you guys running, bro? Gauri,
I'm
please.
running because 11 to 12 था मेरा.
Gauri, please forgive me and take me in the department.
Guys, I want to say all the best to someone. All the best. Who? I'll tell you later. I can't be context to that.
All the best
for what? A sport? Yeah. All the best. She's saying it to me because I play tennis.
Let's go. पहले इंट्रोड्यूस कैमरा से बात करनी है.
How many inches is he taller than me? 7 inches. 7 inches? 6 inches. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm 6, he's 6. Yeah. So he's single.
0.5 में डालूं?
Nice.
हाँ.
Sharp jawline. Nice hair. Big back. Big back arms. You'll get there. And skinny legs.
Okay, 2 points.
Now my other friend. No, I'm dating, guys. I'm happily dating.
Taken.
Taken.
चलो, thanks. क्या बोला? Touch him. Touch. Hi guys. I'm really dead right now. Really dead. मैं आईडी का असाइनमेंट अपलोड कर रही हूँ. And I fucking want to kill myself. I will fall during the workforce meeting. I hope I fall. It's happened. आधे घंटे के बाद अपलोड हो चुका है ये. Now I can fuck off literally like. क्या है? What question? Brudara tu. Done. Web designing queen. Never pay attention in the lecture.
तो पागल हो रही है ये सब डाल मत व्लॉग में.
उसका बाप को उसका दोस्त है ना ट्रेन में मर गया उसके बाप बेस्ट फ्रेंड उसका ट्रेन में लेके मर गया तो उसके बाप को हार्ट अटैक आया चला गया इसकी माँ दूसरे के साथ ये हो गई तो उसका बाप वापस आया उसको छोटी माँ बेटी को छोड़ चला गया उसकी माँ अभी वो लड़के को थी लड़के के साथ 19 साल का.
Hi guys. Okay. Hi.
Oh fuck, I look
I'm so dead, bro. Look at me.
Wait, the lighting's bad. The lighting's
Vlog
bad.
करें. What's up? Who am I talking to? YouTube.
Yeah. Say hi, Paneer baby. Audience.
I'm not doing that.
Hi bro. Kabir.
Oh shit.
Bro.
She's like never met you Kabhi.
They have a sticker on you. They have a sticker on you.
I don't have it. David has it.
You mean that was on me?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah.
Where's David?
How are you feeling?
Oh, I'm feeling tipsy, but it's fine.
Even that's okay.
Guys, we are in the workforce meeting. इसका भाई हॉस्पिटल में है. Look at his smile.
I'm like just don't know.
We told our colleague, David's friend, our friend, that his brother has malaria, and he started laughing.
Oh, people are feeling
So right now, my phone it's all the way on top. I put it on charge. You can see that.
Are you getting makeup?
And I hope it doesn't fall. Also, I've got like crazy tan, bro.
I hate college, bro. So fucking sweaty, bro.
It's crazy hot. We are done. DM for lip balm. Wait, is this going on your vlog?
This will go on my spam account.
Follow Lisa Ferreira.
I'll put in my vlog if you want.
Yeah, oh yeah, put it. Follow Lisa Ferreira on Instagram, guys.
And other work since 18 years. And is specifically
Lisa, what do you have to say?
practitioner.
Four.
Even has completed,
It's bullshit.
completed her LLB
Yeah, it's bullshit, I
and
agree.
from Mumbai University.
He's having water in
And
protein
is
shake ka bottle
registered with the Bar Council
because
of
he doesn't have
Maharashtra and Goa.
enough money for protein shake.
Aileen is a recipient of various awards.
इसका मीटिंग चल रहा है. हम लोग बाहर आए हैं चाय और कॉफी पीने.
It's
So
such a
बोल के.
boring meeting. It's such a boring meeting.
ब्लॉग्स का नहीं, पूरे वर्कफोर्स का मीटिंग है.
They need to get up to date with like what's going on in Gen Z, and they are not. It's very funny.
Okay. Hi, bro.
Right now we're waiting for Rian and Jordan to come. Those fucks, they saw us.
Bro,
and they
he's
haven't come.
we like telling him to take a left. He's taking a
He's so
right.
dyslexic, he doesn't know what side and left. But it's fine. We don't judge.
Yeah.
We don't judge.
We don't judge. We listen and we don't judge. Because some of us are in the same category.
I'm getting back. At least I know right and left.
Yeah, bro.
That's all that matters.
You know the bare minimum, bro. That's amazing.
Please, I only have spelling ka problem, bro. Only spelling ka problem. Everything's fine.
Again, wrong turn he will take. I know him.
That's Jordan took a wrong turn. What is wrong?
What the fuck is wrong with him? Wait. What the fuck is wrong with you?
Hello. Hello.
About being directionless in life.
Can you
Bro, who is coming to sniff Rayan? Like, come on. No one is coming to sniff him.
definitely sniff him for sure.
Yeah, I mean, have you seen what I look like, bitch?
Exactly.
What do you look like?
Fucking, you know.
I know what.
Because he looks like that, they will come to sniff him.
Guys, I'm finally done. I'm going home. I did not even attend the meeting. And as soon as I went back in, they were like, we're done. So, I guess I got free attendance. And it was not even compulsory to attend that shit. But it's fine, now I'm going home. I'm really tired. I just reached my hood. Now I'm going to this tailor because मैंने अपनी शर्ट ऑल्ट्रेशन में की थी. I have to pick that up. क्योंकि मैं 3-4 दिन से पिक अप नहीं किया है वो. And I'm gonna have chai again for the I think 3rd time today because I'm just not feeling well. And this chai वाले uncle is in my gym. So वो 12 रुपए की चाय like 12 रुपीज़ की चाय मुझे 10 में देते हैं because of familiarity. ऐसे तो उन्हें फ्री में नहीं चाहिए but ठीक है. We are not that tough. Guys, ये चाय इतनी अच्छी थी. मैं कंगाल हो गई हूँ. मेरे जीपे में सिर्फ 50 पैसे 50 भी नहीं 45 पैसे बचे हैं. वॉलेट पूरा खाली है बिकॉज ऑल्ट्रेशन वाले ने 150 रुपये हेट लिए मेरे से विच इज़ फाइन बिकॉज ही डिड हिज वर्क. नहीं किया वैसे अगर कुछ फिटिंग की इशू ही ना पूरा वसूल करूँगी मैं बट मोस्टली ही डज इट राइट ओनली. तो आई डोंट थिंक कुछ गड़बड़ होगा. आई एम वॉकिंग होम. गाइस आई एम हेडिंग टू द जिम मेरे भाई की शर्ट में. आज मेरा ग्लूट्स और हैमस्ट्रिंग्स है and let's see how it goes.
जेल नहीं लेना चाहिए. इसमें क्या किया था? पिक्चर लिया या फोटो लिया कुछ गलत तो नहीं किया.
Jail is not an overreaction. Jail